Hello, students of class 10th. Student, as you know, we are reading about Unit 5 Email Messaging. Children, in this unit, we will understand today about session 3 and 4. In 3, children categorize an appointment, and in 4 is given share our calendar. The children, sometime we find we want to save the time by doing the planning or organizing our day. The children, as in the as a calendar, we can create such a new appointment, work meetings, and other events. But all those entries can get hard to visually identify, and this way color categorize are very helpful. The children, in the last video I told about to create the appointment, but in this video I will tell you how to categorize an online classes, as I told you about the categories, I mean, of the as appointment, and how to make and create the appointments. The children, today by this video, as I'm telling to you here, we can categorize our appointment by using the colors. The outlook help us to find the relevant appointments at a glance. So you can choose the different color for your work related appointment and a different one for the personal ones. So this will make it easy to identify them. Moreover, when you organize your calendar with color, so it looks neat when you print it. The children, today, as we will see here how to create an appointment and how to apply here the different color for our different appointment according to the category. So we can categorize according to that our as a appointment, means which appointment is for the, like, as a, you can say ki that is a business, that is a vacation, that is related to some as a trip. So you can give your as a category to your appointment as you have created. So let's have a look of this video, and by this practical you will be able to apply the color on your appointment. So let's have a look this video. Children, here we have the as a application. In this application we can see here the day, week, months in the calendar, and we can categorize. Click on the view option and current view and click on here by category. The children, you can see here these are some appointment as I have created the earlier here. As you can see, by these appointment we can get here the category. Click on the appointment as you hear and click on the category, which category you want to apply in your appointment. You can choose that as save that. The here, children, you can see here these are the other as a appointment category which is as not have the applied, but this as appointment showing here such a category. So for this looking, click on the view current view and click on the day, week, month. The children, you can see here as that date, which date we have applied here the category, as it is showing here the business as related to here. And this way, children, you can see for the other as a days for applying here the category to as a in the on the other appointment. So now you can go through as a the other as appointment. Click on the appointment, as you can see here the category option, and click on the category and select the vacation here. You can select the vacation as a default color is showing in the green color, and for this you can give the as a other for the different as a category. For click on the category, and now this is a select for the personal category. So for the personal we can select here as a all here by default color is a red. Select that, rename that as we want to the personal, the as we write here the with the rename, and now check mark this, and we can create here the shortcut. Click on the shortcut and select the shortcut key here for the personal as a uh, appointment. So now children, as you can see here, it is red color shows, and vacation is shows here the in a green color. Now save it, and now children, you can see it is a default as a showing here in the as a personal related to the business as here, but now it is a shows as here the red means which we have applied in the later, that is the shows as a in the front of the as a calendar. But we can as a change also, we can as a change this color, change as a vacation we can here. So now clear here this so vacation, and now this way we find here the other for vacation. So last as of which we applied here the category that will show in the first, as you can see here the candy fair here, this is a for as a vacation, as we have applied here for the appointment to as a category as we have done for that day here, that is here for the current view. As I click on the then again here the category, and you can see the other here the appointment for the category. So now children, as you can see here the candy fair as a two here, first as a personal and second as here the as a vacation. So this is a here the two as a category we as a applied in the same day. The children, as you can change the category here, you can customize your category as a your need here. So now here the campaign, as you can see, now select that campaign appointment as here, and now as a press F2. The children, you can see that what I we have created the shortcut key we can apply here for any as a appointment, as a vacation we can apply after that here. So now children, as if you want to clear all, click on the clear all categories. So all these category would be as a disappeared from our applied as a category. The children, this way we can see a current view, and by day, week, months we can see the calendar again here. So now this way children, we can here apply the as a category for our desired on a date. I hope ki you will do this uh, practical. You will do it on your computer, and that will be as a very good for you for reading, for understanding. To now next session children, about here the as a share a calendar. In that we will see about how to share our calendar with other. The now let's have a look the next video. Now, children, we have here the next session for share a calendar. The children, as you know, ki this application provide you such an option by which we can share the calendars with other users in order to schedule meetings and appointments in more efficient way through Microsoft Exchange, Office 365, or outlook.com. The children, as you know, key calendar sharing isn't limited to the default calendar folder that is created in all Outlook profiles. The children, this video will you help to as a share the calendar, but before the sharing the calendar, as I will tell you about create the calendar, then after you can share with the other person for as you can tell about your meeting or schedule which time as you have assigned for the work and for the other events. So let's have a look this video, and in this video you will get about all the things related to the as a sharing the your calendar. Now children, let's first here the click on the calendar option as you have opened the MS Outlook, and you can see here on the screen in the my calendar is in the group we have here the calendar and the IT everything. This is here my calendar group, in which we can as I have created the subgroup as listed the many calendars here according to of the work here, and you can see this is the other calendar creations as instructional technical. In the my calendar we you can see all these here. And now for the creating as a new calendar, right click on that and new calendar group, or you can go through here the up here the icon given as a calendar, open the calendar. So we you can go through here, as you can see here the many icons as related to the other option here in the calendar group. As you can see here in the manage calendars, we find here the open calendar. So we can go through this by creating the calendar in this view. as we find here, click on this open calendar and click here create new blank calendar. As you click here, you can give the calendar name as a planning for your as a event or for as a meeting. Though for the entire as your events, you can here give that as a name for your calendar. And now it will go in the group of the IT as a group. Click on the OK button. As you can see here in the below the IT, everything as a given here, the planning, it is our new calendar which we have created now. Here you can see the two as a calendar IT everything, it is the first group, and inside that as we have created the planning here. So now children, you can see as a overlay view, lay view mode, it will as a show you your this whole calendar, entire your display this calendar. As you can see the all here necessary part of the all your calendar, and here the as a instructionals as a tech means you all see the calendar which you have created, and according to the events, according to as a schedule wise, you can see all this here. So this is here the view as we here the turn off these all option for only except all the planning here, which we have to apply the as a here share as a creating. To click on that time or day which you want to create the as a meeting, click on the save button. Here we have created on the as a 30. And now children, if you want to as a share this calendar with the other here as a planning, right click on this, and here you will find as a share option, or you can get the more option here as we find as here the share calendar group. Click on this as a share group in the calendar. As we have here the mail, we can send a mail to the other person for as for telling our calendars meetings and schedule. Here as Lisa Simpsons as here that person which we want to send. Here you can see recipient can add, edit and delete item in this calendar. You want to give the permission for this, so you can check on this as a button. You can as a turn on this button, that person who able to as a edit, delete and add. Here click on this as this button, and that person would be able to do this thing. And after that, when you click on the send, the last time it will ask about here you as a grant this permission for editing and deleting, or here the creating by that person. If you want to give the permission, then click on the OK button, and that person would be able to create that as a, according to this way. So here we have seen all these around the as a categorize and sharing a calendar. The children, I hope you will do this practical in your computer, and by doing all these thing, you will be able to more capable for the other things. So I think this video would be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching this video.